happy birthday anak. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata, may takot sa Diyos, at maging matalino, at maging masunurin sa aming mga magulang.
Think about it now, it feels like it was yesterday. Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange?
Yan, Riley, happy birthday. Wish ko sana paglaki mo, maging mabuting tao ka lang, may takot sa Diyos, huwag kang mga apak ng kahit sino. Huwag kang makakalimot, lumingon sa pinanggalingan.
Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange?
Super blessed naming maging anak ka kasi sobrang sweet mo, sobrang malambing, and mabilis kang sumunod sa amin kasi mahal na mahal mo kami. I love you, Riley. Happy birthday.
Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange? Isn't it strange?
Yun lang naman yung wish ko eh. Yung the rest will follow naman na kung ano nangyayari man sa'yo. So yun lang naman, mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami mo. At sana stay healthy palagi. Yun lang naman.
Isn't it strange?
Happy birthday, Riley! Enjoy your day! Love you!
Happy birthday, Riley.
Feeling like someone new, the start of new beginnings. The sun is shining through. I feel it in my bones, deep down inside my soul. The story's starting to unfold.
Happy birthday, Riley! Love you!
All welcome our birthday celebrant participant, Baby John Riley Villena!
Days are yet to come.
Okay, first is, salamat ulit sa lahat ng mga pumunta. Prayer po muna tayo. So, ayun, Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa araw na to, sa lahat ng biyaya na pinagkakalob niyo sa amin sa araw-araw. At Panginoon, salamat din po sa lahat ng biyaya na binibigay niyo sa amin. Panginoon, ako po ay humihingi ng tawad sa lahat ng aming kasalanan sa inyo. Sana po ay mapatawad niyo po kami. At sana po ay maging successful tong birthday na to, yung event na to. Maraming salamat po ulit sa mga pumunta. Thank you.
Best days are yet to come. Oh, I can feel it. Oh, I can
Riley, eto, happy birthday! Ano yan? Dinosaur. Do you like dinosaur? Hindi, ano yan? Lamp para basta lagi kang happy dapat. Tapos you can see the light in all of the... Basta kung ano na lang yung gusto mong tahakin sa buhay mo, dapat you will always see the light. And dahil kapag nakikita mo yung light, magiging happy ka. So, yun lang. Happy birthday!
Hi, Riley. Happy birthday. Tinanong ko sa mami mo kung ano yung paborito mo. Ito daw. Thank you.
Love you.
Hi, Riley! Happy birthday! Tinanong ko yung mami mo kung anong gusto. Eto daw, cash.
Hello, Riley! Happy birthday! Ito gift ko sa'yo. Ikaw na bahala. Kung anong gusto mong bilhin. And nandito lang si Ninang palagi. Alam mo naman yung Ate Cara. Chat ka lang kapag may kailangan ka. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Kailangan mo to sa school. Yan. Happy birthday, God bless.
Riley, oh. Ayun yung gift ko for travel and panggala.
I wanna move the mountains, fly way up in the sky. All the things I said I
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Roar, 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 roar. Roar, 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 roar. Roar, 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 roar. Roar, 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 roar.
Okay, next. Happy birthday, Riley!
Malungkot.
Happy birthday, Riley!
Galit.
Happy birthday, Riley!
Happy birthday, Riley.
Malungkot.
Happy birthday.
Things too scared
Galit.
to try. Feels like I'm finally free. Was my worst enemy. My story's starting to unfold. So I'll keep chasing new horizons. I'm not giving up. The best days are yet to come. The best days are yet to come. Oh, I can feel it. Oh, I can see it. The best days are yet to come.
Happy birthday na. Una sa lahat. Happy birthday. Be a good boy lagi ha. God bless.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Riley, to me.
Happy to me!
Happy birthday to me.
Happy to me!
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me!
Yes, happy birthday.
Ano gagawin natin? Lalago tayo? Ha? Lalago tayo? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Riley. Sana lagi ka mabait. Ha? Dapat lagi ka mabait. Ha?
Happy birthday!
Sana lumaki pa.
Happy birthday!
Lumaki ka na katulad ng ibang bata, ha?
Tulad sa
Oo.
toys.
Ha? Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday. Sana lahat ng wish ni Mama at ni Daddy sa'yo, matupad mo paglaki mo. Be a good boy. Happy birthday.
Hi, Riley! Happy birthday! Love you!
I love you!
Happy birthday, Riley! Happy birthday, Riley! Sana maging mabait ka palagi, ha? Laging mabait, then masunurin sa magulang. Opo.
Opo!
Palaging mabait, ha? Okay. Happy birthday, seventh birthday.
Best days are yet to come. The best days are yet to come. I wanna move the mountains, fly way up in the sky. All the things I said I couldn't, all the things too scared to try. Feels like I'm finally free. Was my worst enemy. My story started
Losas Catering, salamat sa sa service niyo sa amin. Sobrang good, sobrang ganda, tsaka kompleto. Siyempre, yung mga dumayo pa rin, yung mga malalayo, siyempre. Kahit yung malapit. Lahat sa inyo, maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa inyo dito. Daddy, ayan, si Papa, Mama, mga tita ko, ayan, mga katrabaho ni Cara. Salamat sa time na binigay nyo sa amin, sobrang appreciate talaga namin. Yung palang makita namin kayo, sobrang saya na namin na nagpunta kayo dito eh. Ayun, maraming salamat.